going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. I'm still working on this, studding this block here. I've had to pull it out of the truck again. I'm thinking the problem that I'm having was causing my head gasket not to seal is that these dowel pins that I banged in with a hammer, they got banged in crooked or bent up somehow, and it's binding up when I put the head in, making my torque wrench click sooner than it should. And it's not actually clamping, it's just fighting against the bent alignment pins that go here and here. And there's a lot of videos on how to remove them, but not on how to put them in. And I'm thinking maybe banging them in with a hammer isn't the most foolproof way. I'm hoping after I get them in there the second time a little more carefully that my head just sits down on the block like the other side did. I kind of had to tighten it to 40 pounds to get it to look like it was sitting down, and I'm thinking that might be the problem. So here's what I've come up with. I got some new alignment pins, and the bolts that go in the block are 7/16 14 threads. So I went and got some all thread, a nut, and a washer. I'm just going to thread them into the block. So your block might not have the same thread pattern, but you just want to match it up to the bolt. Make sure you got enough thread to get everything in there so you can tighten it down. I'm going to bottom it out though, thread it all the way in. And I'm going to try to get that in there straight. And I'm going to tighten this nut down. Hopefully it pulls it in nice and straight, doesn't bend it up. Got a ratcheting wrench here. And I'm just gonna tighten it down. Seems to be driving it in pretty straight. It's going in pretty easy. Once it gets a little tight, I'll know that it's at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. After I get this out and look at it, see if it looks good, I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll let you know if there's a difference in the way the head sits down this time. But yeah, that went in there. Looks good. Doesn't look bent at all.